It look like a whole pig out of food.
I don't be begging, I don't be asking. Why y'all ain't ask me if I wanted nothing? I like shit, I'm eating one day too.
Yeah, alright. They know you going home from work. I'm about to go order up. And then go turn around and eat food at home too.
Yeah, my thing be I don't be wanting to eat the break room, so a lot of stuff I eat.
Dang, y'all should have had y'all with us at the drive-thru, but I just ordered me the biggest meal at Culver's. Got me a spicy crispy chicken sandwich meal, and the highlight is the concrete mixer. That's what it's called. Got the pumpkin spice salted caramel with cashews added. Now that right there is giving Culver's added plus, because you can actually request some extra in your shakes. I like that. Most restaurants let you do that. And Hun got him some shrimp, but they kind of expensive. Our stuff came to $30-something. But anyway, happy Friday. My other earring, I'm missing the earring. Happy Friday. Got us some Culver's. How is it, huh? That's the pumpkin caramel. Salted caramel pumpkin with cashews in it.
I can do like a pumpkin.
I don't know, but that's what I'm even just trying to see if I even like pumpkin. Oh! Do I like pumpkin? Pumpkin is not sweet potato pie.
I dislike pumpkin.
Oh, I gotta shop that out. What you think?
I could do this. No, I'm a salted caramel fan.
What? You wanna go back around and get some more?
Probably go to Arby's and get me a sandwich.
So yeah. I'm thinking personally that the added salted caramel or whatever is gonna help me with the pumpkin. You know what I'm saying?
Pumpkin taken away from the salted caramel.
But yeah, with the salted caramel taken away from the pumpkin too. Cause I don't know if I would like it if it was all pumpkin. I don't know.
Pumpkin ain't sweet on its own, so that's why they need the salted caramel. Pumpkin.
But you could have got regular pumpkin too. But I want the extra touch to it.
Pumpkin is savory. It's from the squash family.
It's a fruit because it got seeds.
It's a gourd.
There goes some out there. Y'all think they'd make me mad if we get some of their pumpkins? Got enough of them out here.
Is pumpkin a fruit?
What is that? Is pumpkin a fruit?
Yes, pumpkin is a fruit.
I know, it got seeds. Anything with a seed in it is a fruit.
I thought it was considered a gourd.
Avocado is a fruit. Tomato is a fruit. Cucumber is a fruit. What else you wouldn't think is a fruit? It's a fruit.
Squash.
Well, that's in the pumpkin family, right?
Is squash a fruit?
Yes. don't need too much dairy, but I just can't control myself with dairy. They busy up here. What's that? I'm thinking when you ask, it's gonna talk to you back.
I think it should. I've never really used it.
They got their plate right in the same
It's squash
time.
or fruit.
They got their plate in the same time frame we got ours. Cause look what it start with. The one in the front, the GMC. Start with the same 3.
It's squash or fruit.
Squashes are a vegetable.
Squash don't have seeds in there?
Spaghetti squash, do I know for sure?
I don't know. I'm confused. I thought they said anything. Ooh, I had a piece of chocolate or something in there. They said anything with seeds is a fruit.
Squash and pumpkins were from the same family. That's what
That's
made
what I
me say.
thought, too. But it said pumpkin is a fruit.
Yeah. Gourd.
What's a gourd? Now that's something I'm not familiar.
Country Living magazine. The thing we call a pumpkin is, in fact, a type of squash. But it's also a gourd, mainly due to the fact that it's used as both an ingredient and as a decorative piece. Here's the gist of what you should know. Many squashes are gourds.
But pumpkin, but how is one a fruit and one not?
It's pumpkin or fruit. It's pumpkin or fruit.
Pumpkins are fruit.
But squash not a fruit.
This is what it says.
Say it one more time.
The same damn family, but one ain't, one is.
That's like saying is squash a fruit? A fruit?
It's squash or fruit.
Squashes are vegetables.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm just curious to know. Do squash have seeds? Ask that.
Does squash have seeds?
According to Healthline, all types of squash have seeds and come from the flowering part of plants. Flowers even grow out of squash and are known as squash blossoms.
I gotta go back to school. Cause they lied to me somewhere.
I was right 2-3 times. I said it's a gourd before we started.
Yeah.
I said it's related to squash, but then it still says fruit.
But I was right too.
Yeah, you said because it got seeds, but squash got seeds too.
But see, that's why I gotta go back to school then, because it said
Everything
with
that
the
has
seeds.
seeds is not a fruit.
But that's what I was
Okra is not a fruit. Okra has seeds in it.
Okay, I'm gonna study this. Cause I would almost say okra was a fruit. No, it is a vegetable. If I'd have thought about them seeds, but I know okra is a vegetable. I know that for sure. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna pull up. Shoot, I'm about to drop this. We in car sick with Hun Dry. I'm still now we get some Arby's. Okay, but I ain't even ate my food. But okay, I'm about to go Google a couple more things about these vegetables. Let me see. Back for this for Hun. Look it up. See if okra is a fruit or a vegetable. Come on. Look it up for real. See what it's gonna say. What?
Is okra a fruit?
Okra is a vegetable.
But that's not what I just read. They confusing me. Yo, who is she that's answering your question? Well, Google read different than it talk.
Is okra a fruit or a vegetable?
Okra is a vegetable.
Okay, I just read it says biologically a fruit, but used as the vegetable. Somebody lying. Who lying? Sugar or Google? One of them lying. Okay, anyway. I thought it was a vegetable for the most part, but they say anything with seeds is specified as a fruit. So anyway. Never mind, y'all.
This,
The classic or the half pound?
the classic.
What size and what the drink?
Let me get a Sprite and a small.
Sprite and small size.
Yes.
Would you like curly or crinkle?
Curly fries.
Okay.
And ask her we order with the car in front of us
Is
order.
that it for you?
I'm just playing.
That's it.
$8.57.
One day I will do that for real. Can I have what the car in front of us ordered? One thing I really like for here is their gyros for the most part. I look like a whole pig on the food.
I don't be begging, I don't be asking. Why y'all ain't ask me if I wanted nothing? I like shit, I'm eating one day too.
Yeah, alright. They know you going home from work. I'm about to go order up. And then go turn around and eat food at home too.
Yeah, my thing be I don't be wanting to eat a break room, so a lot of stuff I eat for time.
They don't put no condiments on this little burger, on this little sandwich. Let me get that.
Yeah, I know. I'm about to get it to you. Yeah. As soon as you saw me, baby.
Which is probably a good thing because I can put that Chick-fil-A sauce on it.
You gonna copy my style as soon as you saw me doing it?
Bam.
People.
All right, love you. Thanks for coming by. Have a good night.
Look at you.
I know, right? Look at it. Look at it.
Can you hear me a little now?
No matter what comes.
Anything cut through a sandwich. It's knife in the knife holder too.
It's not a blow through. It's not a blow through. I'm trying to cut the top off to make the perfect look, man. I know that.
Trying to let the wind blow through his hair.
But the grind solid with everything else that's always.
You got onion?
Like it should smooth it.
Pickle, tomato, lettuce.
When you use it, have them cut out of them. I feel like I'm eating little batters.
Man, that Chick-fil-A sauce be bringing stuff to life.
Keep on saying I'm bringing you a wire hanger, man. I'll be forgetting. But at least.
It was good when you close your eyes out.
Cause I had, I got the eggs on those. Perfect. I had to put that in. Big steak again.
Right here.
Put it in.
put a knot in the end of the string. Put a big safety pin. You know, you have to put a knot, put a big safety pin. You feed the safety pin through it, then you push it.
Yeah, that's how you put the string back in your hoodie and stuff. If your hoodie string come out your pants or your thing, put a safety pin. Just feed it and string it all the way. Push through there. Slide the material. Push it through. Slide. What happened to my recording? Why it turned off? Anyway, thanks for watching. About to run out of memory space.
Where you find this girl class?
This has been another okay, y'all, I didn't get to the fries really, not really soon, but this is that it's the salted caramel pumpkin concrete mixer, and I had cashews added. And it's pretty good. Pretty good. And this is a Pepsi with light ice. Yeah. I keep on torturing myself with dairy. Like, it's so good. Eating it, love dairy. But it makes my body hurt so bad. And even like my organs be swelling.
We got one.
Well, I do have a real dairy intolerance, but I just keep torturing myself.
That's what we got. The hot water here.
Anyway, I might better be done. That's halfway done. That's good.
Careful up there a second.